Hello friends, are you facing Instagram login error problem? So here is the fix. So first of all, we will go to Play Store. So let's find Play Store here. Tap on it. Now search Instagram. Now update if it is available and go back. After that, you just need to go to phone settings. So let's find phone settings option here. Yes, setting is here. Let's tap on it. Now find apps option. Tap on it. Tap here. And after that, you just need to click on app management. So let's tap here. Let's tap on app management. Now find Instagram. Let's click on it. And then you just need to tap on force stop. You can tap here. And now tap on storage usage. Then clear cache. You can see 347 MB are there, so you have to clear the cache. Now you can see it's showing as 0 B. And now click on clear data. Let's tap on it. This app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So yes, you have to delete this. After following these processes, you just need to go back and restart the phone. And after restarting the phone, you can see the problem is fixed. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.